Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this candlestick kind of floral fall arrangement using this pumpkin, a candlestick, and some florals that I picked up all from the Dollar Tree. First thing I want to do is get the tags off. This was, I believe this was $3. I don't think it was $5. I think I'm just going to glue this part. This I did get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put hot glue on this part and put it down on the candlestick. I'm going to give this a generous amount of glue. I am going to leave the plastic on because I don't want all that green stuff flying all over the place. Put that to the side and let it dry. Get the tag off of my pumpkin here. I think I'm going to trim this off too. Perfect. I'm going to go in with some more glue. Make sure my pumpkin, it gets on there really good. So next I want to work on my florals. I got all of these from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to break them down because I want these florals coming out of the side part of this styrofoam. I'm just going to trim them long and I'll adjust as I go. I also don't throw these away, I keep them. I also have one here with some berries and some pumpkins on it. That's exciting. Get excited, folks, get excited. And for this part, I don't think I want to use my glue gun. I think I'm going to use my big old glue pot. Okay, I got my glue pot plugged in. So while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and break apart all of these florals. I don't know how many I'm going to use. I think I used 3 stems so far. I might need 1 or 2 more. But I also have here these pumpkin picks that I thought were cute and might match. I'm going to push these up, get them ready for me. Okay friends, here we go. I'm just going to start in layers. I'm just going to start adding these florals. I dump it in my glue pot and just add it to the styrofoam. I'm just going to keep going all the way around this candlestick and try and cover up as much of the styrofoam as I can. I'm going to speed this up because I'm sure it's pretty boring for you to watch, but basically I'm just going in layers. I'm just placing in the florals until I make my way all the way around to where I started. You know what? I think I'm going to put the berries at the top. Hunk of glue on it. I'm going to stick it right underneath the stem and hold it there. I hope you can see what I'm doing. But basically all I did was cut down my florals and poke them into the styrofoam with some glue. That's all I've done. I'm just putting it together. I'm just piecing it together. And I'm going to do this in layers. And of course I added the pumpkins and I put the berries on the top of the pumpkin, which I think was a good move. So this is what it looks like so far. And I might add some more of the bluish grayish florals. I went back in with another stem of the florals. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm finding like holes or bald spots or places where you can see the styrofoam, and I'm just going to fill it up as much as I can because I don't want to see that styrofoam poking through all the florals. Lastly, I'm going to go in with these pumpkins. So I'm going to break those apart and dip them in my hot glue pan and then place them where I see fit. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some of the blue on one side, now I'm going to the opposite side to add the other blue pumpkin. So instead of adding the other white pumpkins, I wanted to go in with some white ribbon. So all I'm going to do here is make loops, and I'm going to use a floral pin to press them into the styrofoam. So here I'm just making a loop, and I'm making sure that that floral pin goes into the middle of the pinch, the seam that I made, and I'm going to pierce it into the styrofoam, into the arrangement, and then I'm going to go back through and make another loop, use another floral pin to have it make it look like it has like cascading loops going down the arrangement. So here I'm going to show you another one with a tail going up. So I have the tail going up, I'm going to make a loop, I'm going to pinch it and then twist it, and then I'm going to take another floral pin and go where that pinch part is, where it's pinched together, and I'm going to pierce it through the styrofoam. I really hope this inspires you, because this was a very affordable and easy arrangement to make for fall. I also want to say that everything was from the Dollar Tree except for the ribbon. Now I'm going to go in with another loop, and I just wanted to make sure there was an extra loop on this side. So I'm making a loop, pinching it down, taking another floral pin, taking it down the middle of that pinched seam, and I'm going to place it in the styrofoam. I am also dovetailing all of the ends of my ribbon as I go. Okay friends, this is my completed project. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.